If you want to add or remove Google account from your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, open up your settings. Now look in the first tab, this is our Google Services tab. Now tap on your Google account, or you will be prompted to the window to add up another account if you don't have any. Tap here and press add another account. Let's verify our identity. Alright, so first of all, we have to sign in. So use your email or your phone number. Great. Make sure that everything is correct. Press next. Now you'll have to enter your password and press next. So you can save your password to Google Manager if you want to. I'll press that now. So agree to the all of terms of service. And basically that's it. Now you have your new account added. So if you want to remove a Google account, it's quite easy to do. So once again, open up your settings. You can do this through your passwords or yeah, let's do it right here. So look at your passwords, passkeys in account. Look at your Google account, tap on it, press remove account, confirm your choice by pressing remove account, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.